Hi, hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel Deep Maths. Welcome to my channel Deep Maths. In this video, I'm going to solve a problem from a pair of linear into variables from of 10th class. The question is the area of triangle formed by the lines 2x plus 3y equal to 12, x minus y minus 1 equals to 0 and x equals to 0 as below. This is the figure given for according to the question. So first of all, to know which triangle, see here we are having this one triangle, like that we are having. So for these equations, what are the values we got, what are the points we got, how can we find? See, this is one line, that is this one, means 2x plus 3y minus 12 line is this, x minus y minus 1 line is this, means both are intersected at P, right? Next here x minus y minus 1, this, and on the x-axis, okay, so it will be somewhat confused. So let us find the points for each line. Take the equations 2x plus 3y equals to 12, first equation, x minus y minus 1 equals to 0, this is second equation, x equals to 0 is third equation. First solve 1 and 2. 2x plus 3y equals to 12, x minus y equals to 1. In this you multiply the second equation by 3. 2x plus 3y equals to 12. 3x minus 3y equals to 3. These two get cancelled. 3 plus 2 5x equals to 15. X equals to 15 by 5, which is equals to 3. Therefore x equals to 3. Substitute x value in any of the equations. 2 into 3 plus 3y equals to 12. 3y equals to 12 minus 6 equals to 6. Y is equals to 2. Therefore, x1, y1 equals to 3 comma 2. Next solve 2 and 3. Given what already x is equals to 0. Substitute 0 in here. What you will have, x minus y equals to plus 1, x is 0, minus y equals to 1, y equals to minus 1. Therefore, x2 comma y2 is equals to 0 comma minus 1. Next, solve 1 and 3. What you will have, already given x equals to 0. So 2 into 0 plus 3y equals to 12. 3y equals to 12. Y equals to 12 by 3, which is equals to 4. Therefore, x3 comma y3 is equals to 0 comma 4. Okay, so from these points we can conclude which triangle it is. See, this one more, 0 minus 1 means this, and one more is 0 comma 4 means this. This highlighted one is the triangle area we have to find. Okay, so actual area of triangle formula what? Area of triangle equals to half into base into height is equals to half into, so here base means BD. So for that, what we have to find? Distance, means length of BD is nothing but distance of BD. Length of BD equals to distance between B and D, which is equals to root of B and D means these both. So 0 minus 0 whole square plus minus 1 minus 4 whole square is equals to root of minus 5 whole square, which is equals to root 25, which is equals to 5. So that one is the base. Now what we want? Height. Height means what? From the, this will be the height, right? So from here to here it is what? How much on x-axis? from here 0 to this point, what you will have? 3, x coordinate 3. So what will be the height from here to here? It is 3. Therefore area of triangle is equals to half into base into height, which is equals to 15 by 2, which is equals to 7.5 square units. Understood here why we take 3? This is the triangle, no? This will be the base. From base to the opposite vertex will be the height. But here on the coordinate axis, we can say the distance between the base and the opposite vertex. That is, on x-axis how much value it takes, that will be the distance between the base and the opposite vertex. So that will be 3. So that will be the height. Formula what? Half into base into height. So half into 5 into 3 is equals to 15 by 2, which is equals to 7.5 square units. Okay, if you have any doubts, specify that in the comment section.